guys, how you all doing? Hope you all having a wonderful Sunday. Yes guys, so what is on the menu for today? I'm not gonna be cooking, I'm gonna be baking. I'm gonna be doing a Christmas coconut fruit cake. Yes, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you all. I'm gonna put it together nicely for you all. Alright? Yes. Okay. First, here's my coconut. And I have some fruits. I already prepared my fruits. Nicely blended with wine, rum. There's two types of wine: stone ginger wine, my red label, and my Rayaness. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, and I soaked some. Some was already soaked, and I steamed some in the wine. Yes, so this is the coconut and this is my fruits, right? You know what I have to have for eggs. I'm not gonna use all of this egg with this. I'm gonna make some without coconut and some with coconut. Here are the dry ingredients I have: nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. With these ingredients, with what I'm using, the coconut, I cannot blend it. I have to grate the coconut. Alright, I have to grate it because I cannot use any water. So I have to grate it. You know, if we put it in the blender, we have to put water in it. And we don't need any water. So these are my eggs. I'm going to use two types of butter. I'm going to use the anchor butter and some chiffon butter, room temperature. Yeah, I have a lemon. Okay, this is some baking flour. Okay, I should have the coconut flour, but I don't have any. I'm going to do what we have to do. Rose water. This is almond. What is this? What is it? Yeah. Yeah, this is the almond. Vanilla. We have to have our browning. Any brand you want to use. And we still have to have our, all of this is in the fruits already, soak in the fruits, rum, our red label, our stone ginger wine, right? We still have surplus, so we're gonna use, I think I'm gonna use some rum cream. I'm gonna turn up the thing, so I'm just stay with you guys and see how I'm gonna put this nice Christmas coconut fruit cake together. Alright, so I'm gonna grate up my coconut. A different flavor, trying a different flavor fruit cake. I'm gonna put it on a board. Nice coconut. Right, so I'm gonna start creaming my sugar and butter. Put some butter in your salad already, but I'm using about 2 pounds or 1.5 pounds, because you don't know. I'll make about 4 2 pounds. You know, you have the right amount of everything. I'm gonna use 3 cups of sugar. I'm gonna really make that use. Like when the cake too sweet either, you know? Nothing too sweet, you just want the right taste. So we get the butter and the sugar together. Yes. So I'm gonna look about my eggs. Put off as much as the butter as possible. We can't waste something really now. Let's get our egg cracking. Wash them off, you know, don't know. Wash them properly. You call it the high. I kind of get them out, less rawness. Yeah. Bad idea to crack the egg, but crack it over the other eggs, you know. But you know, you have to skill. Look at it before you throw it, open it up, you know, before you put it in with the other ones that you know are good. Because if you put a bad egg with all the good ones, hey, all of them just, you have to just throw them away, you know. So let me just get them egg together and come right back. About a tablespoon or less, you know, because we remember that we use a little over a pound of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 8 eggs, depends on the amount that you're using. You want the thing to come out. Alright, so I'm not using too much zest, lemon zest. Alright, so we got the eggs now nice and fluffy with our butter and our sugar and a little lemon zest. So we're going on nicely. And then our fruits. It's a fruit cake, you know, guys, so we need a lot of fruits, you know. Here's the fruits and you're having a cake. It's about 2 cups. 2 and 2, about 4 cups. 4 5 cups of fruits. don't have to mix it too much, you know. So guys, let's pour it into a bigger container. Yet. See what I'm going to do now? I'm putting all of my wet ingredients now. I'm still going to separate this to get the coconut into one of the batch. I'm going to do a fruit alone and coconut. Fruit and coconut. You understand? Yes, so this is the rose water. Nothing too much. Little over the tablespoon. Right. This is my almond. You know what to use the things them. Nothing too much. This just a tablespoon of the almond. The almond real strong, you know. Very, 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 very strong. Vanilla, 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Use a measurement, guys. Right? You know, just use the cider everything. That is what I do. Now them say you pour until your ancestors tell you to stop. Put this aside and prepare my dry ingredients. Smell good. Wow, wow, wow. We need about 4 cups of flour. This is my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, baking powder, salt. Alright. And clean. Can you see so? Mix it evenly before we start to put it in our wet batter. Alright? Folding and cutting and folding because I have to make sure we mix out the flour properly. We don't want any lumps in our batter. So this is the reason why I call it the cut and fold. Right? Go around, come back in the middle. So everything comes together. Nice. Some Stones ginger wine, some red label wine, and some rum cream. These are optional, you know, guys, but you don't know. These are optional, but at the end of the day, I don't know. I don't like nothing normal. I love my thing turn right up. Anything at all, you know. Yeah. Until I look more, not too much rum. Yeah, after mixing everything combined nicely, I'm gonna separate some of this butter because I need some coconut. Some from the coconut. Oh Lord. It smells so good. Yeah, so guys, put some coconut. Coconut fruit cake. Have you ever had this one, guys? Tell me in the comment. Comment down below and tell me if you ever had coconut fruit cake. Yeah, eat this. Wow. This is so awesome. So this is a non-stick pan still, but it's still put some grease, you know, grease it. This is what I want. And if the oven is already preheated, I'm going to preheat it at 300. I'm not going to put it at 350. I don't want it too high, you know. I'm going to take it time and do what it's supposed to do. Alright? Put the coconut, some trash at the top, but I should show you. You know. Just want something a little different, you know, guys. Sometimes I just say, yo, let me try something different. Right, just alright. Now we know, guys, we have to give our cake some water bath to let them cook nice and moist. We don't want them to dry out, so we have to give them some water bath. Water bath is a container with some water. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it for the next 20 minutes. I'm gonna check back. Okay? Stop. Oh my gosh. OMG. Just looking at this. Wow, just wow. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up, man. Just give me a thumbs up. Yes, turn on the post notification bell, subscribe. No matter taste bounty. Alright. To see. Moisture, tastes good.
Bad.
Tastes good. Coconut flavor is the best I've ever had. Best coconut fruit cake. Oh my god, guys. Anyway, soon we'll have the next video and bye. If you listen before the Christmas, have a Merry Christmas when it comes. Alright, see you all in the next video and bye. Mercy.